And let's welcome to the iOS tutorial. Today we are going to see how to implement the switch control in the iOS app. For that you have to open Xcode, create new project, single view application, next give the name as switch, next desktop, go to storyboard, select background color for the screen and let's select the screen color. Next go to let's select UI switch from the library pane, that is UI switch control. How to collect, drag and drop it here. For that you have to write the IB outlet and IB actions. How to write IB outlet and IB actions? Yesterday in previous tutorial you learned those things for the text fields and the labels. Let's see how to do these things for the switch. Let's press control and drag and drop here. Out my switch name is, I will take it as my switch connect, and I have to write the IB actions for this one. For action you have to select action here. Next switch action I will take any name you can take. Switch action I will take event value change is correct. Once you are done these things, go to vcontrol.m. let's see what are the things are present. At implementation file you have to synthesize the switch, my switch. Once you are done with these things you have to means once the value switch is on or off state, you have to get the how to do those things. Let's see. You have to write on function like my switch at target is means from which class you are going to call. From this class only I am going to call. Action is at selector inside that you have to write the which method I have to call once on off state is changed. My method name is switch action, and for control of events UI control events value change. UI control events value change you have to select. Let's see what is the meaning of this line. I am going to call this function switch action from this class. Target means from this class. For control of events UI control event value change, like touch up insert, this is also one event. This will call when we change the value, that is state of switch from on to off. Let's see how it is going to run. Once you change the state of this switch you are going to call this method. In this function I am going to write what is the value of the whether it is switch is on or off. How to write that? NSLog to select at string switch current state is percentage at comma my switch dot on on. This I am going to use ternary operator here. Depending upon the switch is on, it will give on, otherwise it will give off. Like that it's going to give the output. Let's see. Once you are done with this one, let's see how it's going to run. Let's see. I'm going to get the output of this one. For the first time it's running, it will take time. Once see, switch is off, switch is on, switch is off, switch is on. In the same way you can add slider also. The slider is to get the particular array from the range of values that we can going to see in the next tutorial. I hope you all understand this one. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.